You may know that I ordered, I was part of a Kickstarter project for our friends in Germany and Cologne who are making the 3D printed presses because they made this super mini press, which is for artist stamps. Well, they didn't say it that way, but anyway, the profound thing that I have to offer today is this. This is the box that it came from. And what our friends in Germany are missing out on is the notion of the printmaking teachers in a box. And yet this box is like a prototype. They could be the printmaking teachers in a box. Very small. This one's made of cardboard. It could be made of wood. And the press and the clamp that go with it could be all one unit, just like this. The bed, of course, goes, and the rest is history. Thanks for watching.